Action!
Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're gonna open Aurora.
Is a Disney princess, right?
From the Princess Store. Also, I'm Aurora.
Yeah, this is from the, well, we bought it from a Disney store.
I'm also Aurora. You want me to stand up?
Yeah, you stand up a little bit, you get up a little bit, and then we can see a dress.
When I stand up, I can chop my head if I want to, but you can see my whole dress.
Oh, so beautiful, right? The pink one.
I love pink. It's so much
Okay.
sparkles.
Whoa, you look so tall.
I'm not tall. I'm standing on a couch.
Okay.
I'll go down.
You want to unpack it? Sleeping Beauty Aurora. The classical doll.
Give it. Where am I opening it? Down here?
Yeah, whatever. And then you need a scissor, I guess. You kill her? You want to kill
No,
her?
I'm not gonna. I'm over here.
No, this one you cut your hand. I mean, the plastic. You can try the other side.
Look
Okay.
at this. I just look. That's what I cut. I can't do it. You just what I do is. I almost made an X. Panda over here. Panda over here. Panda over here.
Be careful. The plastic can cut your fingers.
My princess had the very full Shadow Princess over here. Has an insane thing. More tissue. Yeah, so much trash.
Yeah, they want to fill up the dress and make sure
Yeah.
better. More fat. More fat.
And one more.
It's not environmental friendly. They use too many paper.
She also has the sleeves like I do. I can also do like this. A little baby. Now we need to go through the wrist. And then I have to put.
You go to the back side and you twist the string.
What about over here? Now I'm gonna cut it later. Let me take
You
it.
like the movie Sleeping Beauty?
I never watched it.
You never watch it?
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot about it. So you want to watch it next time?
Yeah.
But which movie you like most these days?
Descendants.
Descendants 2 from Disney. How about Wonder Woman?
Yeah.
Or how about Frozen? You still like Frozen?
I hate those.
You don't like Frozen anymore?
Yeah.
No more Elsa?
No! I hate it
How come?
because I'm already big.
You
And
grow,
I changed my mind.
you change your mind? You grow up a little bit, you don't like Elsa.
Yeah, I hate her now. She's the
When-
best dummy in the world.
When you're 3 years old, you love Elsa. You
Now
watch
I
that
hate
movie
her.
a lot of times.
I don't like the movie. I like her, but I don't like the movie only. I watched the movie already like 10, 20 times.
Yeah, maybe 20 times. But this day you love... Okay, you love some old movie. You remember you watched Ghostbuster? And how about 007?
What is the whole seven?
James.
James Bond?
Yeah, James Bond. You remember you say George Bond?
Yeah. I still don't care.
And how about Wonder Woman? I love Wonder Woman. I like Wonder Woman.
I love her too. She's the best superhero. he helped everybody in her universe.
You need my help?
My stuff.
You need my help to unpack it?
No.
Why?
Because I couldn't do it by myself.
Yeah, all the kids, remember, if you can do something by yourself, try to do it by yourself.
Yeah, because I'm already 6 years old. I can hold a scissor. And maybe the ones that are 4 years old, you can't even hold a scissor. Too little bit too small to hold a scissor like that. But in school, I have to hold the scissors.
Can you use your scissors in school?
Yeah.
Okay.
I use
Teacher allows you to do so.
Yeah, I do. I use scissors also. I does old scissors. I need to open. Take this one out. And now we have to take the one on top. This is my best video yet. And also the one that I put with mine. It's Dual Sisters. And then you have to check it on Dual Sisters. And then you'll see more princess videos. It's mine dressing up like Elsa. I'm dressing up like the same as this one, Aurora.
Now let me help you. I can get
I
it
can do it.
faster.
You can do it. I hate doing this. You do the ones in the back, I'll do the ones in the front.
Yeah, sometimes they put too many things
I
in
did
the
not see
package.
that.
How you call this thing?
A thing. It's a squirrel.
It's a squirrel.
Can I take the ones in the front?
They put too many. Oops. Now, okay, one more at the bottom. They put too many
There's inside here.
rubber band.
Hey, there's more in the body. Oh my gosh, so many.
Yeah.
It's that one.
We need to release her.
She's real stuck.
Yeah, then a little bit undress her. And then
Down.
No. you cannot see her undressed.
Yeah.
Now you can see her now. Okay.
Yay. Aurora, you're done.
She's supposed to sleep because she's Sleeping Beauty. Lie down. You want to chop him off? No.
Chop, chop, chop.
Chop her off, I
Her
mean.
hair's so pretty. It looks so golden.
Yeah, she's brown. She
She
got a
does
brown
not
hair.
even have a brush. Use the tail brush. Her hair is so gorgeous.
Let's have a close up with her.
Aww, her crown is so pretty. She still has it on her back.
Yeah, and her dress
Whoa!
it dress is the same as her, right?
Yeah.
Pink.
I have a picture of Aurora.
Yeah. And you want to sleep with her tonight?
I
No?
don't sleep with these kind of people. And I don't sleep with these kind of people. I'll take the rubber band. I can put my shoes on. Okay, let me open the rubber band. This is so hard to take off. It's so hard to put it on. Okay, let's quickly, my take it. What? Wasn't that worth it?
Well, you take a rubber band, sooner or later she will lose her shoes.
My Rapunzel also has lost one shoe.
Yeah, I told you. You always lost your toys somewhere. The parts, I mean. You lost the parts.
Oh, maybe I should not do that. I'll put it back. I did not.
Yeah, never mind.
I'm supposed to do it. Okay, bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give a big thumbs up. Bye.
Action!
Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're gonna open Cinderella.
Yeah, this is Cinderella doll. Well, let's have a close-up. Well, actually, you know where we bought it?
Disney.
Yeah, we bought it from Disney Store. This is Disney Store version. Cinderella. We love Cinderella. Anybody love Cinderella?
I cannot. You're looking
No.
the wrong.
I broke away and nobody can see you. Nobody can see Audrey. Where's Audrey? Can you come out? Audrey, come out. Okay.
Her movie is about she has a god, not a godmother. She has a mother that is evil. She's his stepmother, and she has two stepsisters, and I don't know what their name is. And then the prince marries Cinderella, and then the stepmother hates it.
Yeah, nobody
And he
wants
was
like a
crying.
stepmother, right?
She wants to cry like this.
And her stepsisters are bad girls.
Yeah.
Nobody like that. It's evil. Okay, let's unpack it.
Oh,
Try to cut off the tape.
you mean here? Panda over here. Okay, I'll open it like this. The other side. Like, go inside, little guy. Got it, and then open it, and then take it. Oh, wrong way. I was wrong. Dad. Yeah, you're wrong.
You need me some help? You need some help from me?
I can't even take it out.
You haven't taken off the tape here.
Come out. We're kissing some I don't know what I'm saying.
It's difficult. She was stuck inside the box.
Yeah.
All the packages are so difficult to unpack, right?
Yeah.
You don't like it?
I know, because they don't want anybody to steal our stuff.
Careful,
Ow.
cut your hand, cut your fingers. I told you. Cut off all the tapes. There are so many tapes. There's no environmental friendly with all the tapes.
Give it to me. Mine's in the way.
Now let me help you because this kind of plastic box can cut your finger easily and get you some blood.
I hate blood. I have blood in once when I was in my school and I went to down and I hurt myself. My friend hurted me. She was pulling me and then she got me hurt. I have bloody. And I don't like it.
Now, yeah, here we go.
And it's free here.
And she got a lot of trash.
Showing.
Yeah, it's a lot of paper to make her look
Wow.
fat. So
Wow.
all of trash paper.
More. Oh my gosh. There's over here. Panda over here. But we need scissors. Why do her legs have so much sparkles?
I don't know. This doesn't matter. No, it's from the dress.
Why is it why?
The sparkle is from the dress.
Okay, we'll put that here. Can't take off the hand. I can only take off the rubber band. I'm sorry.
I guess you need some help.
No,
Easier.
mine.
And don't cut your finger out.
I pay for it. I go count here. I'm not gonna unwrap there. Your hair's so curly. Okay, then what should I do? What will I do, maybe?
You need some help? I can help you
I
to.
can go in the back and do it.
No, don't cut it. You don't cut it. You just twist it.
And twist it. And twist it. And twist it. And twist it. And twist it. And twist it.
Yeah, here you go for the first one, and 2 more to go, 3 more to go.
It's stuck in.
Release her! Release Cinderella. From
She's a princess.
She is a princess.
She's a nice.
Now I guess you can take it out.
What is this?
No, just to make her stand.
Now we need to take these. I can't. No, we need to.
No, we just do this. Packaging is always difficult, right? I don't like packaging. Package? How come there are so many package material?
Her hand is like that. Her
Okay,
hand.
that's-
I'll take her hand out. Now we need to take Gus. Cinderella. Oh, we need to take a rubber band. We'll take Gus. Rubber band. Gus is stuck.
Hmm.
Can you get her Gus out?
Yes, easy peasy.
Why?
Let's have a close up.
Look. I'm just using finger to wrap it. Can I? Is it too spiky?
Now let me. Yeah, you just take it out because it can hurt the finger.
Guys.
No, one more from her wits.
Her waist.
You want to undress her? No, you don't undress anybody.
Don't, that's disgusting.
Yep. Now she's
Her band is like this. You can also take it out. of her
Okay,
earring.
then now we can have a close up.
Yeah, you can. Her hair is very curly. Let me touch. Okay.
Close up, close up, close up.
It's too starkly. Look at my hands. So
Mm.
starky. I'm just gonna hold it down here. Hello, what? There's a hole.
It's okay.
It's supposed to be like that. Okay,
Because
guys.
how many Disney princesses you have before? I guess you have a number of them. You remember which one you got already?
I take off her glove.
Yeah, you can take off your gloves. Some trash. And you can twist her arm a little bit.
This is her glove, and you can twist her arms over here and over here. Over here and even over here. I'm gonna hold Gus.
She look pretty. As pretty as you.
And I'm pretty. Okay, I'm gonna focus. I need to go to the bottom. Okay, Gus. Okay, Cinderella. You have to be good boy, Gus. Okay. Bye, guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give it a big thumbs up. Bye. Mwah.